the Chow Kit Market. It's probably about 11 o'clock and, my goodness, it's hot. And Jules found some little mandarins and different types of fruit there. Let's go and have a look at them. It's a Friday, it's all happening here. I suppose on a Friday it's the busiest, but yeah, this is a big market.
Black go, black go, black go.
1 kilo, 4 ringgit. Wow, $3 and a little bit.
Black go, black go, black go.
This man is preparing jackfruit. I've never tried jackfruit, maybe he'll let me try it a bit. So I'm nice to him. I forget what these are, can't tell you. Forgotten them. Go and ask the man what they are. These are kumdang. And they come from Thailand, and he is telling us so. 1 kilo, 5 ringgit.
Yes.
5 ringgit. $1.60.
Mari bang, pilih bang, pilih bang, pilih bang, pilih bang. 10 ringgit.
Fried shrimp.
Bang, 3 ringgit lagi apa bang?
And squid, calamari. Okay, these calamari, squid. Squid, okay. Joel always has to get in the picture, don't you, Joel?
I'm escaping the smell of fish.
Dried fish, fried shrimp. This man specialises in chickens, chicken's feet, chicken's giblets, chicken's livers. Very nice.
Okay.
How many fingers you got left? 5 fingers? Oh, you still got 5 fingers? Beautiful fish, very nice fish. Hey, your fish, very nice. Thumbs up for fish. Very fresh fish, very nice.
Yeah.
Very fresh. And these guys are very much alive. Catfish. Can't get much fresher than that. Catfish, very fresh. Oh, might be wet on the floor, might be a lot of fish around, but it's still hot. I got to sell it quick because it's sitting in 32-degree heat. Julie's busy taking her pictures. Under strict orders, get some pictures. Hey! Sydney!
Yeah.
No, Tasmania. We're from Tasmania, Little Island. Yeah. Crocodiles, kangaroos, wombats. You have some very fresh fish here.
Malaysian Airlines, Australia.
I know these fish are fresh because I just picked one up off the floor, it jumped off.
Malaysian Airlines, Australia.
Yeah? You been to Australia? Go. Be very good chopping. How many fingers? You got 5 fingers? 5 fingers? Ooh. Is that your mother?
Yes, brother.
Well, that lady, you are her son. Ah. She looks too young. She is too young to have a son like you. This your son?
Yes, yes.
You're too young. How much are the crabs? 1 kilo, 24 ringgit, 24 ringgit, $8. $8 a kilo. Are they fresh? Are they ever? It's still wriggling. And still it goes on and goes on and goes on. And we have some pork and some beef. 3 kilo. 3 kilo. Uh-huh. We found this one hiding over the back there.
Hi, boss. How are you?
Well, that's one way to fix them. Mind your fingers. Yeah, it's a big pork trotters there, big ones. Big. Absolute skin. What do you do with the pig skin?
One skin, body.
Yeah, how you cook?
Cow. Skin, I clean, I cook that.
Okay, I believe it. And liver. I like tongue too. Now that is a lot of fish. And there's some bigger ones up there in the bin. Big fish there. Let's stir them up. Whoa! You can't get fresher than that. So that's one bit of the food market. Probably called a wet market because it is wet.
Besar pun tak besar lah. Boleh lah.
Just for the juice. So they allowed me to come into the restaurant kitchen.
Name Paul.
This is the chef. I am Paul.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm brother named Paul.
you have a brother named Paul.
Ah.
Ah, good name.
I am Sebastian.
It's a good name.
Thank you.
And what have we got here? This is chicken.
Chicken marble.
Chicken.
Indian special.
Very, very nice. Very, very good. I had lunch today. Little bit warm.
Kalau layak.